the last video, we have spoken about constant pointer. However, that was only in brief. As I told you that every technology that we teach here in Outstanding 20, we teach every topic to the depth of the topic, and it would be very much sufficient for you to attend any interview. Even the developers working in companies can learn from my videos, and by joining my courses to the depth of the technology, that will surely help them to excel in the careers. So in this video we are going to learn the constant pointer very much thoroughly.
Hi. In this program I have taken two strings, str1 in which I have stored outstanding 20 and str2 I have stored Mysuru, and I have taken a pointer p. Now what I'll do is I'll make pointer p point to str1. The str1 is name of the array, which is nothing but an address, and the data type of it is char star. P is also of type char star, so the assignment is correct. Now what I'll do is I'll say printf %s and %s. So I'll print the string via the array name and the pointer p. So let's see what is the output of this. Now as you can see, we are getting outstanding 22 times. Alright. Now what I'll do is I'll say p equals str2. So this is because the pointer is not constant. Now I can say star p equals m. Now let us print the string via the pointer p. So note that pointer p is now pointing to Mysuru, and I have changed the content of the string, that is capital M, I have changed it to small. So what does this mean is the string is not constant. So via the pointer p, I can make the pointer p here point to some other string, and also via the pointer I can dereference and can change the content of the string to which it is pointing. So let us run this code now. As you can see, p is now pointing to Mysuru, and I have modified the string via the pointer p. Now I'm going to comment out this code. Now look at the changes that I'm going to do in the declaration of the pointer. I'm going to add the const. So here I've made the pointer p point to str1. Here I have made the pointer now constant, and I'm making it to point to str1. Now later what I'll do is via the pointer I'm trying to change the content of the string. So you are getting an error here. So what is this is that the string is constant. The string to which the pointer p is pointing to is constant. However, you can make the pointer p point to some other string. So this is fine because pointer is not constant. However, using the pointer, note that p is pointing to str1 and I'm trying to change the content of the string. So this is not fine. So this is error. So what does it mean is string is not constant. So what does this mean is string is constant, and hence you cannot modify the string. So this was the part 2 of our program. Now let us go to the part 3 of our program. I will comment out this. Now observe the changes that I am going to do. Now I'll say char star const p. So what does this mean is via the pointer I can modify the string to which it is pointing to, that is outstanding 20 is the string to which the pointer p is pointing. So I'll make the first character O small, so I can modify it. However, now the p cannot point to some other string. So this is an error, as you can see. What is the error it is saying? The pointer p is constant, mean to say it cannot point to some other string. However, using the pointer you can modify the string to which it is pointing to. That is, the string is not constant. I hope you are understanding. So this was the part 3 of our program. I'm going to comment out this. Now lastly what I'll do is I'll make both the pointer and the string constant. So here now you must be able to understand rp equals O. You cannot modify the string via the pointer because string is constant, mean to say via the pointer p the string is constant. All right, okay, and p cannot point to some other string, so pointer is also constant. So this is what we have learned in this program. It is a constant pointer. The const is for two different things. One is for the string to which the pointer is pointing and the pointer variable itself. As you can see in the diagram here, the p can point to str1 when you say const char star p is pointing to str1, assume. So p can now point to str2, however you cannot modify the string to which it is pointing. Now if I say char star const p, now the pointer is constant, mean to say the content of the pointer you cannot modify. So let me make a conclusion here. When the pointer is constant, that is, we say char star const p. When the pointer is constant, the content of the pointer cannot be modified. When the string is constant, that is, we say const char star p, the content of the string to which the pointer is pointing to cannot be modified. I hope you have understood this program. Any doubt, please do ask me in the comments.